go. Engine malfunction, and now I am in limp mode. Because there's the split. That was definitely what was causing my issue. Hello and welcome back to another video on Friend's Car Repair Corner. So I know it's been, I don't know, a few weeks now since my last video, and I think my previous video was to do with the throttle body, and I have got the replacement pipe now, so that's what I want to do. So what I'm going to quickly show you is, because I still I have been getting the engine light on still. That's to do with my headlights still, so don't worry about that. But what I would like to show you is, yeah, when I put my foot down, what happens. The sound sounds like screeching. I mean, I quite like it, but yeah, I know I don't think it's meant to be like that, and I believe it's the turbo, so the turbo may need to be, yeah, replaced, and it could just be that is going. Anyways, I'm waffling, don't like waffling, so I'll show you what happens when I put my foot down and then the engine light comes on, and then basically I'm in limp mode. So let's get home, and then I can then, yeah, show you how we can then get this pipe replaced. Right, so I've got the missus to hold it for me while I explain what's going on. So I'm in third gear now, so if I was to now boot it, when I get to the high revs, that's when obviously you'll hear the turbo kind of screeching or trying to do its thing, and then I get the error code. So let's see if it will happen now. There we go, engine malfunction, and now I am in limp mode. Right, okay, so it is another day. I'm now in the clothes, ready to do the actual job. So here it is. This is my £20, I suppose, silicone hose that I got from eBay. Looking at it, I'm thinking it is a bit on the small side. I don't know if this is actually gonna fit, but either way, fingers crossed it will. So let's get to the car and yeah, get this then fitted, and I can show you my old one where I think the split is and what is causing my problems. So fingers crossed this is the actual one that I need, but let's get to the car, get the headlight out, get the old pipe out, get this one in. Right, so it's this pipe in question. I mean, it might fit. Yeah, right, first things first, need to get this light out because it goes from there all the way down just to underneath where the light is. So it'll be a lot easier with that removed. So let's get the light out. So there we go. See that? Where is it? Yeah, this here. Yeah, that's what I need to undo and replace this pipe. Going to be easier to use a 7mm ratchet, I think, to get in there than trying to find a screwdriver, so that's what I'm going to do. Right, okay, so this one's loose, so I should be able to, yeah, pull this one off. I like to pull this one off first. There we go, and then that way I can then pull it out from under here, because that should be loose now as well. So let's get this out. There we go, removed. She fits. It was a bit tight here, but I'm glad with that. That's now all tightened up. I've now got it on down there, just need to tighten that up, and then yeah, I'll probably put the engine cover back on. So it looks like my previous fix, yeah, didn't work, because there's the split. That was definitely what was causing my issue. So now time to take the car out. I put the light back in now. So yeah, time for a test drive now. Well, I'm just going to clear everything up, but yeah, let's go test it. Right, okay, so it's been a few days now. I have been out in the car, been driving around over the 3,000 up to 4,000 revs. No more engine warning light, and I've got so much more. Yeah, it feels like the power's just fully come back. So yeah, brilliant. Next video is going to be the exhaust. So if you're not subscribed, then subscribe and join me in the next one.